Hello friends, welcome back to the channel Food is God Cave. Today I'm going to show you the trending nowadays is about the viral tortilla hacks. This is a complete recipe video, so you can always skip the video based on what you want to see. It's going to be 4 steps. It's simply delicious and it's so good with the viral hack. Okay, first step, it's going to be the cilantro lime rice. So it's so delicious. It's lemony lime and it does hint of that jalapeno spices. So it's so easy. So all you need a jalapeno, about half, few garlic chopped, onion chopped, green onions, I just slice it thin, 1 cup rice that I wash it and drain it and I set aside, half lime. So friends, it's simple, easy, super easy. I'm going to use the rice cooker today, so we just set aside. It's take about 10 minutes to cook. So before that, I just turn on the rice cooker and I add some about 1 teaspoon oil. It's basically corn oil or olive oil, and then just added all that chopped ingredient is jalapeno, garlic, onion, and then just give a nice saute. Once is you can smell the aroma, the garlic, and then the spicy heat from the jalapenos. I'm adding the salt, use the kosher salt, and then I might just added half cup the chopped cilantro. Either you have the frozen or the fresh. I just added about 2 cup chicken stock or vegetable stock. It's broth, and just adding about 1/4 teaspoon cumin, the rice that we washed earlier, and set it cook. Now it's ready. You can see that the fluffy rice is ready. It smells so good. The lemon, the cilantro, and the cumin. And now I'm squeezing the lime. If you don't have lime, you can squeeze the lemon. Now I'm going to show you how to make a zesty lime chicken. So delicious, friend. All you need a few garlics, jalapeno, and then the green onion chopped until fine. And you can use a little salt and try to chop. It's really infuse all that flavor. So I have the chicken thighs. It's boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I'm just adding the garlic salt. This is some olive oil, and I'm going to add that the chopped ingredient. I just squeeze half of lime, and I'm adding the black pepper. Now we can rub all that and set for marination about 30 to 1 hour. So 30 minutes to 1 hour is sufficient, because the lime can really give that good flavor, the acidity flavor to the chicken. And in the pan, I'm just drizzle some oil and just coat it nicely. And now we can add this chicken, and it's so good. It smells already nice here. So let it cook each side about 8 minutes, and once it's done, we can turn to other side. Now we're going to keep cooking until complete. Now it's ready. Once you're done, you can remove this chicken and try to slice, and you can either slice thin or you can cube the meat, because we're going to make the wrap. So if the small pieces, is really easy to fix the wrap in nice way. So next step is mash black beans. It's so easy if you have that canned beans at home, and you can always make this, no time, friends. So in the pan, I'm just adding garlic, onion, olive oil, give a nice saute. I'm adding the garlic powder, chili powder. Either you can use paprika, chili flakes, salt, and give a nice saute. Smells so good here. And I just rinse that black beans from the can, few times, and I'm adding in the pan that the saute. Now I'm adding the pinch of the oregano. It's really give that flavor of the Mexican food. And then I'm adding about 1 cup water or chicken broth and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, and we can start mashed, and it's depend how much the texture you want. So now assembly step 4, it's easy steps. So let's see how to make it. So before I begin, I just warm the tortilla wrap. Tortilla wrap I have today from the store bought. So I have here is the grilled chicken, some cheddar cheese, the jalapeno, tomato chopped, lettuce, beans, sour cream, and guacamole. So please check the link below if you want the recipe for guacamole. And I'm just adding the chicken on the 1/4 quart, and then I'm adding the lettuce, tomatoes, any toppings or anything is fine. Basically we're going to keep adding each quart in different ingredient, and we're going to wrap it nicely so it will hold tight, and it's really mess free to eat this wrap, friends. So again, if you want my recipe for guacamole, please check the description below, and I leave that detail there. So now it's perfect. So I'm keep doing different varieties because it's depend what the my kids want. So I just want the rice, one without rice, and one with the beans. So it's depend. It's so good. It's really good if you make for the party, and you just keep it ready, and the kids can make their own wrap no time, and they really enjoy, and it's high in nutritious, and it's homemade, and it's so good. So, and again I just toast it one more time until the cheese little melt, and now it's perfect, friends. It's so good, smells so good. The taste is really amazing because all is homemade, and the homemade food always the best, and the flavors unbelievable. The chicken zesty, and the spice from the jalapeno. Very simple recipe, but the taste so good, and with the different texture, the flavor, the meaty, and the creaminess from the avocado, cheese, sour cream, and then the crunchy from the vegetable, lettuce, tomatoes, and then beans. Really good. So I hope you like this video, and I reveal that you can make this tortilla hack at home, and you can enjoy with your family and friends. And this is so trending now, this hack, and I just want to bring this recipe with the complete how to make this recipe with the easy method. So I hope you enjoy another recipe from our channel to your home. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.